Stop scrolling right now, because if you are searching for the best way to earn money online, this video can change your direction. Many people want the easiest way to make money online, and they want to earn money online without investment. But most videos only talk. They don't explain the real methods clearly. In this video, you will understand how people are genuinely earning money online today by using simple skills, smart tools, and the internet. The first and one of the most powerful methods is freelancing with the help of AI. Freelancing simply means providing services online and getting paid for your work. Earlier, freelancing required strong skills and years of experience. But today, AI has changed everything. People are earning money online by using AI tools to write content, design graphics, edit videos, create presentations, manage social media posts, and even reply to emails. AI helps you work faster and with better quality, which makes freelancing the best way to earn money for beginners as well as professionals. You don't need an office, you don't need investment, and you don't need a big setup. All you need is internet and basic understanding. Millions of clients are already paying for these services, and freelancers are earning money online daily by completing tasks from their homes. This method is popular because it gives direct income, and that is why many people call it the easiest way to make money online. The second powerful method to earn money online is YouTube Shorts and short-form videos. Today, short videos are everywhere. People watch them again and again, and platforms push them to millions of viewers. Many creators are earning money online without showing their face. They use AI voice, stock videos, captions, and simple editing to create short content. These videos are about facts, motivation, finance, skills, and trending topics. When these videos get views, they start generating income. People earn money online through ads, brand promotions, and affiliate links added to their content. This method does not require investment and does not require advanced skills. Consistent posting builds reach, and reach turns into money. That is why short video content is considered one of the best ways to earn money online in the current digital world. The third proven method is affiliate marketing, which is one of the smartest ways to earn money online without investment. In affiliate marketing, you do not create any product. You do not handle customers. You simply promote existing products or services online. When someone buys through your link, you earn commission. People are earning money online by promoting apps, AI tools, software, online courses, and digital services. This method works perfectly with social media and short videos. One video can reach thousands of people, and even a small percentage of buyers can generate income. That is why affiliate marketing is known as the easiest way to make money online for those who want freedom and flexibility. It runs 24/7 and continues to generate income even when you are offline. All these methods are connected by one thing: the internet and smart usage of technology. Freelancing gives active income, short videos build long-term visibility, and affiliate marketing creates scalable earning. People who understand this combination are earning money online consistently. They are not waiting for opportunities, they are creating them. The best way to earn money today is not limited to one skill or one platform. It is about using available tools, especially AI, to work faster, smarter, and better. The reason these methods work is because businesses, brands, and creators are shifting online. They need content, promotion, editing, and visibility. That demand creates opportunities for earning money online without investment. When you understand this system, the idea of making money online becomes practical, not confusing. This is why these three methods are considered the best ways to earn money online right now. The internet has removed barriers. Anyone can start, anyone can learn, and anyone can earn. The easiest way to make money online is no longer a secret. Freelancing with AI, YouTube Shorts, and affiliate marketing are real, working, and growing methods. People across the world are already earning money online using these ways, and the demand is increasing every day. If you want freedom, flexibility, and control over your income, these methods show the path. The digital world rewards action, consistency, and smart work. That is why learning how to earn money online without investment is no longer a dream. It is a skill-based reality, and those who start today are building income for tomorrow. Write a call to action for YouTube channel now. If this video helped you understand the best way to earn money online, and the easiest way to make money online, then don't stop here. Subscribe to this channel right now because I regularly share real methods.